Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect databases in Notion. Connecting your Notion databases unlocks powerful organizational capabilities, allowing you to link related information seamlessly. We will cover the fundamental steps to establish these connections, from creating relations to displaying data using rollups. This guide will help you build a more integrated and efficient workspace, making your Notion experience much more robust and interconnected. Establishing a relation is the first crucial step in connecting your Notion databases. Begin by opening your primary database and adding a new property. From the property type options, select Relation. You will then choose the specific database you want to link. Remember to decide if you need a two-way relation, which allows entries in both databases to reference each other, creating a truly interconnected system for your data. Once your relations are set up, rollups become incredibly useful for displaying information from connected databases. To use a rollup, add another new property to your database and select Rollup as the type. You will then choose the relation property you just created. Next, select the specific property from the related database that you wish to display. And finally, pick a calculation method, such as count, all, or sum, to summarize the data. Connecting databases offers numerous practical applications to enhance your workflow. For instance, you can link projects to individual tasks, providing a clear overview of progress. Another common use is connecting clients to their respective projects for streamlined management. Always consider using templates to quickly create new entries with pre-established relations. Regularly reviewing and refining your database connections ensures your Notion workspace remains efficient and perfectly tailored to your needs.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.